Playgrounds are supposed to be wonderlands for fun and enjoyment, but sometimes things can go epically wrong when trying to create a child's paradise. Here are the creepiest playgrounds kids shouldn't visit. The human centipede. What came first, the playground or the movie? This piece of playground equipment has probably seen many kids walking on the poles or pretending to ride on one of the creatures. However, having them all joined together with a bar going through their mouths and out their bums seems to suggest something a bit dirtier than just playtime. Beheaded monkeys. It seems that the designers of this playground slaughtered some monkeys and decided to post their decapitated heads on top of the playground equipment. Thanks to time and lack of maintenance, the monkey heads look even creepier as they gaze upon kids during their merriment. Leapfrog gone wrong. It's hard to tell what's exactly going on here, but there is only one kid that is seeming to enjoy the action. With suggestions of adult content as well as the inappropriate placement of the statues, it's kinda hard to believe that there were parents okay with taking their kids to this particular playground in the first place. Pork breast. If there is anything we can say for certain, it's that pigs probably shouldn't have boobs. And if they did have boobs, then they certainly probably should be covered up. This seems to be a male pig welcoming children into its playground paradise. But the nature of such a playground would be assumed to be more risque than regular rated G locations. Witch in the sand. If there was anything that could guarantee nightmares for the next several years, it's definitely the thought of a creepy-looking witch that could emerge from the sand and keep you captive. The witch, or troll, or whatever scary creature this is, can send shivers up the spines of kids and make them want to avoid the playground and all other grounds around it. Dead mouse. Nothing says fun and merriment better than having a sculpture of a mouse being caught in a trap and trying to stay alive by gasping for air. Maybe the town that this playground is located in really dislikes vermin and other small creatures. So maybe the dead mouse really could symbolize cleanliness and a good life? Maybe? Open wide! The description says it's a snake, but it looks more like a weird creature out of our nightmares. Try and dare your best friend to go in there. We wouldn't be surprised if there was a murder or some sort of witch's ritual that took place inside that very mouth. Colorful kids. It's one thing to have statues of playful kids for others to enjoy, as they should add to the fun and welcoming ambiance of a playground. However, the statues of these kids are just super creepy. For one, they're unnatural and unrealistic in color. 2, they seem to be naked. And 3, the wires sticking out of the kids that create the arc looks like the kids are peeing a single stream of urine. Birthing cave. Something about women and their stomachs seems to shout out cave to the designers of this particular playground. Perhaps they were trying to recreate a familiar place for the kids by recreating the womb. Or perhaps maybe they were trying to spread the message that women with big stomachs are welcoming and beautiful. Creepy animals. It seems to be a stationary seesaw, which already makes it kinda creepy and far less fun. Maybe it's the fact that they're white with red eyes, or they have that unsettling smile, but we can't imagine that many kids would be willing to take a seat and enjoy some conversation with each other in the laps of these creepy animals. Thanks for watching, folks. While you're here, check out these other videos and let us know what you thought about this particular video in the comments down below. Also, while you're here, please go ahead and click like and subscribe. Thanks!